Well, this is a parts car I've got. I was able to get it yesterday from a guy. The car's really in pretty good shape. He said he had it running last year. Well, it's in good shape except for it had a vinyl top on it and somebody bondoed it and they did a terrible job fixing the roof, and they pretty much ruined the car because of it. The top is rusted out extremely bad, but the body of the car is in pretty good shape. I'm going to park the car out. I'm going to take the parts off of it that I want and sell some other parts. But it's a complete car. Like I said, it's a shame the roof. I think so many of these cars have had the vinyl top rust and it destroyed the car. I mean, it would take an extreme amount of effort to make this a good car. But it's got a lot of good parts on it though. So if there's something in particular you need, I guess you could let me know. I'm going to use quite a bit of the parts myself though. The car is a 67 Coupe de Ville, and it had pretty nice stuff in it. I've already taken most of the interior out. Somebody bondoed over the roof and it just rusted it to death. The vinyl top probably rusted it, but it really ruined the car. I mean, the lack of maintenance and care for the car. But it's a good parts car. Engine compartment, everything's intact. Really, the whole car's intact. I've already taken a lot of the trim off of it, but I'm basically gonna disassemble the car and use it for parts for my car. Possibly sell some of the parts I don't need. But like I said, it seems to be a pretty good car. Has some holes in the floorboard. Probably a little worse than what my car was, but as you can see, the entire roof is destroyed. I mean, you'd have to have another roof to fix this car. But kind of sad because it has a title. It just wasn't taking care of it all. It's complete engine, transmission. The guy said he had the engine running last year. I'm probably just going to pull it out. I may use this chassis to build for my car, so I can change the suspension and everything, redo everything that needs redone, and then just swap out bodies onto this chassis. That way I can work on it and still drive my car while I'm doing it. Let's say it's complete under the hood. Every single thing's here. Original carburetor. So it's a little more original than my car. This car had the Sentinel headlights and the, automatic dimming. It's got the sensor behind the grill here. I don't know a whole lot about that, but I'm going to research it a little bit and see if it's something that would be worth trying to put into my car, if I can figure out how to test all this. But anyway, that's what I'm working on now. With the good windows. From what I understand, these windows are not reproduced, the rear windows. So I'm definitely going to try to get it out in one piece. Yeah, this video is after I've taken a lot more of it apart. I took the front clip off. The grill's in good shape. These pieces here on the ends of the grill, they have a couple broken tabs. I don't know if what they're made of, but they're very extremely fragile. The bumpers has a little bit of rust on it. The end pieces of the bumper have, the one on the driver's side's in good shape. The one on the passenger side's got a dent in it. Radiator, probably good for a core. Looks like it's had some leaks. The radiator core support is in good shape. A couple little tiny holes under the battery. Inner fender wells are both in good shape, both the right and the left. The driver's side fender has a little bit of, it probably has some rust under there. I've not ground it off with a brush to see what's underneath, but passenger side one was kind of bad at the bottom. The doors look like they're in good shape. I took the back glass out and you can see how bad the roof was. It's in really terrible condition. Trunk lid looks pretty good from what I can tell. I got a lot of trim and stuff like that that's in good shape. If anybody needs anything in particular, leave me a comment and let me know. And I got the complete engine, and the hood looks good, except there's a little bit of rust at the end of it there. I don't know how bad it is. I'll have to take it off and use a wire wheel to see what's underneath.